10 benefits of drinking coconut water. Number 1. Hydration. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte and an excellent hydrator, especially for athletes or those who engage in physical activities. Number 2. Low in calories. Coconut water is a low-calorie drink compared to other beverages like sodas, sports drinks, and juices. Number 3. Rich in nutrients. Coconut water contains essential nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which can help improve overall health. Number 4. Antioxidant properties. Coconut water contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells against damage caused by free radicals. Number 5. Regulates blood pressure. Studies have shown that drinking coconut water regularly can help regulate blood pressure, thanks to its high potassium content. Number 6. Aids digestion. Coconut water has been found to improve digestion and relieve constipation, thanks to its high fiber content. Number 7. Helps with weight loss. Drinking coconut water regularly can help you lose weight by keeping you hydrated and promoting satiety. Number 8. Boosts immunity. Coconut water contains cytokines that have been found to have an immune-boosting effect on the body. Number 9. Promotes healthy skin. Coconut water contains cytokines and lauric acid, which can help promote healthy skin by reducing inflammation and protecting against harmful UV rays. Number 10. Reduces stress. Coconut water has been found to have a calming effect on the body and can help reduce stress levels. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.